how to get your skin from this to this. Hey guys, it's future me checking in. It's Guchiblac. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. I want to do a giveaway. I need you guys to comment the difference between my last turmeric face mask recipe and this turmeric face mask recipe. Add your Instagram so I can message you if you win. I'm gonna buy the winner a new skincare routine, so either a morning skincare routine or a nighttime skincare routine. You can just let me know which one you prefer and we'll get it sorted out. Tell me what you see in me. This video is literally so long overdue, so thank you for waiting. Are you new here? If you are, make sure you watch my first turmeric face mask video and then come back and watch this one. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get your skin from this to this with this face mask, only this is a better version, so this should hopefully work better for you guys. Also, before we get into the video, I want to thank you guys for 2,000 subscribers. I know we're not there yet, but we're basically there. We're pretty much there. This is where 2,000 is and this is where we are, at the same place. So I want to thank you guys. I'm gonna go through some frequently asked questions underneath my comments in my last video. I'm gonna be using my face mask set from Amazon to make it. It comes with so many pieces. If you guys want the link, let me know. I think I unboxed this in my last video as well. So if you want to see what it comes with, then just go watch my previous video. So we're gonna start off with the yogurt. I'm gonna add 5 tablespoons. One of you guys said you want a visual representation, so I'm just gonna add everything on camera in real time, so that you see how quick and easy it is to make, and you can literally make it with me at the same time. I'm gonna add 5 spoons like this into the bowl. This is gonna be too much for me anyways, because I don't think I'm gonna use it for the whole week, because I'm not gonna even be at home for the whole week. One of my most frequent questions I got asked is, how long did it take to clear my skin? To be honest, I've used it about 3 to 5 times a week on most occasions, and I feel like you'll notice differences after, like, I want to say give it at least 2 months. You're not going to be using it every single week, and you're not going to be using it every single day as well. You need time to see the progress and the transformation as it occurs, so you need to be patient. Nothing good comes fast, you know, so stick to it. Make sure you're using the face mask regularly. Just make it part of your morning routine or your bedtime routine. Also, people were worried about it staining their skin. I said in the previous video that you guys need to do patch tests. I'm gonna add in the lemon now. I don't make my mask in any particular order, by the way, so you don't have to do it in the same order as me, but I'm just showing you how I make it. So yeah, this is half a lemon I'm using, and that was 5 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt. If you'd like to know the benefits of each ingredient, check my previous video because I did list them all. But for example, lemon helps with brightening your skin. Whenever I make these masks, I love tasting the lemon, but I would never just pick up a lemon and try to eat it. It tastes too good. It tastes so good. This is what it's looking like right now. I don't want it to spill, but I'm gonna try to show you. Yeah, the lemon is just sitting on top, but I'm gonna mix everything in. I love that this mask is edible. Well, it's edible for now. I really want to taste it. Why does this taste good? Why does this taste good? Don't copy me though. Don't do that, because this is gonna go on your face. Don't copy me, don't do that. I'm just acting up. But it tastes good. It tastes good. I'm gonna stop that now. Next, I'm gonna add in 4 tablespoons of honey. It's gonna add in 4 of these into the bowl. One other question I was asked was, will the turmeric stain your skin? The turmeric might stain your skin, which is why I said to do a patch test. Guys, I think I might have answered this question already. I don't remember. But yeah, do a patch test. Like either a small little patch on your skin, your neck, your arm. But it might not be the same color, that's the only thing. Like your skin might be different colors around your body, so it might come out differently. But definitely try a patch test first. Also, if you find the mask works good for you but it leaves a tint, then just leave it on for a short period of time. So normally I'd recommend leaving the mask on for about 20 minutes, but if you feel like it's going to stain your skin or tint it, maybe leave on for 10. If it still continues to stain your skin and you're really struggling to get the stain off, I'd advise you to use a towel of hot water, and that should help. Now I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of turmeric. Be so careful when you do this because turmeric does stain a lot. I just got my nails done yesterday, so I need to be very careful. If you're worried you might stain yourself, I'll definitely recommend you wear gloves. I don't know how you guys are gonna feel when I say this, but turmeric face mask is not some sort of magic trick that's gonna clear your skin and make it smooth and nice. Yes, it's gonna get rid of your scars. Yes, it's gonna get rid of your hyperpigmentation. Yes, it's gonna make your skin look soft and smooth like butter. You need to be willing to invest in your skin. You need to actually form a skincare routine and take care of your skin. The same way you shower or have a bath every day, it's the same way you need to wash your face every day and develop a routine. Don't just do whatever to it. You need a routine to maintain it. I'm pretty sure you more or less do the same thing in the shower or the bathroom every day with your body, so it should be the same with your skin. Your skin kind of needs that consistency. Not everyone's skin works like that, but if your skin is bad and stubborn and breaks out a lot or scars a lot, you're gonna want to treat your skin with extra care. Your skin is bougie. Your skin has high standards. It needs that consistency. It needs that time and effort. It needs that routine, so you're gonna need to create that. That alongside with the turmeric face mask, that's what's really gonna have you glowing. This is currently what it's looking like. So last time when we made the face mask, we added plain flour to adjust the texture and make a thicker consistency. But this time, to be using besan, I think it's called besan or besan, I'm not sure. It's an Indian flour. Turmeric face masks are actually traditionally an Indian face mask. One of you informed me that this flour would be way better. It's gonna have benefits for your skin as opposed to plain flour, which is just simply used for texture purposes. If you can get it, make sure you do. I got mine from Tesco in the international aisle, I think that's what it's called. But you can get yours from, I think, Amazon or any Indian grocery store. It's literally getting everywhere. It looks like a light yellow pastel type of flour. I'm just gonna pour it in until I feel like the texture is right. I'll let you know how much I do end up putting in, but you don't need to put in the exact same amount as me. I've put in 2 tablespoons. I just hope that it's not too much because I put in 2 tablespoons by accident. Black is coming out. It's looking good so far. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's blending in really nicely. This is what it's looking like so far, but I'm still mixing it. This is too good. I literally feel like putting this in a jar. If you guys are not bothered to make this, I can make it for you and ship it out to you, because I actually enjoy making these. I said I was gonna come back in 20 minutes, but it's been 30 minutes and this is what it looks like. Using this besan flour is literally so amazing for the texture. My face doesn't feel as dry. The face mask isn't drying up too much or too fast, and it's not cracking. It feels smooth. I feel like you can see the smoothness through the screen right now. I'm about to go wipe this off with hot water. Again, careful with your nails. If you have nails, maybe you can use a washcloth, maybe you can use a cloth or something on your face. I need to figure out what I'm going to use because I don't really like using cloths on my face, so I might have to use my hands, but I really hope it doesn't mess up my nails. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash this off and I'll be back. I'm back. I've just washed the turmeric off my face with just warm water. These are the results after just one use and 30 minutes. My skin is giving filter right now. Anyways, I'll be back after I do my nighttime skincare routine and then we'll look at the difference. My morning and my nighttime routine are different, so if you guys want to see that, let me know. But yeah, skin glowing for days. Unfortunately, my nails were ruined in the process, but I'm just gonna figure out a way to clean them. If not, I'm gonna have to go to the shop. This is worse than I thought. Learn from my mistakes and wear gloves. I haven't even taken a picture of these yet and they're ruined, and I did them yesterday. Make it make sense. Anyways, if you guys are still here, Thank you for sticking around. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you comment the difference between the last face mask and this one for the chance to win the giveaway. You have to be subscribed as well, so yeah. And follow my Instagram and comment your Instagram so I can message you if you win.